Hello guys, what's up? So with the new update of YOLO in Android, now you can make your own question inside the app. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's open YOLO and click on Get an Anonymous Message. Now in this question box, you can tap on it and you can see your keyboard. Yes, back, and you can remove the question. Now you can write your own question. You can even give smileys if you want. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can make your own question in YOLO. Once you are done, you can click on share and you are ready to send it to your stories. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching the video.